Excuse me, this whole idea is insane.
Enough debate. I'm going to take action. Excuse me. Are you currently involved in a sexual relationship? No. Would you like to be?
نورت بنورك شعلة ألامي وأملك جدد زادت أحلامي نورت بنورك شعلة أحلامي
Great news! My mom sent me my old Nintendo 64. Terrific! You know what this means, don't you? Break out the Red Bull. It's time to rock Mario old school. I have other plans tonight. But it's Friday. Friday's always been his game night. Look, Mom included the memory card. We can pick up right where I left off in 1999 when I had pernicious anemia.
Someone's coming over.
Yeah, no problem. I have 3 controllers. The more the merrier.
It's a date. I have a date coming over.
Oh. Well, you can't blame me for not jumping to that conclusion.
Why? What's so unusual about me having a date?
Statistically speaking.
All right. Well, nevertheless, I have one now, and I'd appreciate it if you would, make yourself scarce.
Leonard, I am a published theoretical physicist with 2 doctorates. I can't take the accurately measure my own effects. How much scarcer would that be? You know that I believe. Is that still prophecy? You want me to leave the apartment? Yes. I need to go someplace else. Someplace else? Yeah. This is my apartment. I know it is.
Right here. How was Nebraska?
Better than North Dakota. I guess that joke's only funny in Nebraska.
From the data at hand, you really can't draw that conclusion. All you can say with absolute certainty is that that joke is not funny here.
Boy, it's good to be back.
How's your family?
Oh, it was the worst trip. Everyone got sick over the weekend.
Sick? Here we go. What kind of sick?
The flu, I guess.
I don't need you to guess. I need you to know. Now, when did the symptoms first appear?
Or maybe Friday?
Friday. Is that morning or afternoon?
I don't...
Think, woman who blew their nose and when?
Children, relax. She doesn't have any symptoms. I'm sure she's not contagious.
Oh, please. If influenza was only contagious after symptoms appear, it would have died out thousands of years ago. Somewhere between tool using and cave painting, Homo habilis would have figured out to kill the guy with the runny nose.
And you'll have to excuse Sheldon. He's a bit of a germaphobe.
It's okay, I understand.
Thanks for your consideration. Now please leave.
You better go before he starts spraying you with Lysol.
Well, thank you for getting my mail.
No problem. Welcome home.